Hey gang, so real quick, we're going to make some updates to some themes. Currently we have two themes running. The most recent one is 10.0, and 10.0 has a certain way of you updating. I'm going to send you the template file via WeTransfer so you can upload the new 10.0 into all the new themes that are having this bug. And then if you find a 9.7 or lower theme, you have to enter in a different code to fix this error. So let me show you the error first. All right, so when clients go to the website on their cell phone, this is how the website looks. The reason being is Shopify introduced this little icon where it pushes over the mobile only theme to the left. Now we've already came up with a solution to fix this, and the quickest way is just dropping the new code into the new template, and then everything will show fixed. So once it's fixed, it should then look back to regular standard, right? So this is the regular standard of how it should look on a cell phone. Let me show you. I got it uploading right now. All right. All right, so this is how it should look. Well, that's a bad screenshot, but the more of the story is that the whole website will show on the phone. It will show on the cell phone. Now these websites are already mobile only themes, so they're meant to show in the middle of the screen anyway. But on the cell phone, they shouldn't show all the way to the left. Now all these new stores that you see, like the last two pages, they already have like the new code, but starting on the third page, we're gonna start at Chrissy 2 Glamorous. Chrissy 2 Glamorous has the bug. So if I click it on my website, on my computer, it looks fine. Like you can't tell that it has the bug. You know, it still looks okay. But if I was to go to this website from my phone, it would look like this. All right, so the way that you fix this is you have to actually drop the new code into Chrissy Glamorous. So I'm just going to log in to this store. And when I log in here, I have to click online store. All right, and I have to select upload theme, choose file, and I'm going to drop my new InstaShop theme into the website. So now that I dropped the new theme there, what I'm going to do now is I have to basically wait till this loads up. All right, and it's almost done, so then I can just kind of wait till it loads. All right, it's done. I click actions, I click edit code, and then I scroll over here to my left and I select config. I select setting data's JSON, and I just like to hit Control A to highlight everything, then Control C to copy everything, and then I can go back out. I can select go back out to themes, or I can select online store. And then I go down to my new website, my new InstaShop that I just downloaded. I select edit code again. So I copied the code from the old theme. I'm just going to paste it inside of the new theme. All right, so I go to config, settings data JSON, and then I hit Control A, highlight all that old code, Control V, save it. So I basically just did a copy and paste. I overwrit the old code, hit online store or themes, whichever one, and now I hit actions and I make this theme live. All right, so then I'll publish it. I wait till it loads, because if you do it too fast, sometimes the website will freeze. But if it's like jumping all over the place, but if it doesn't, if it looks like this, all you have to do is hit publish and it works perfectly fine. So now I'm going to go back and check Chrissy Glamorous from my phone. You don't have to worry about keep going back and then checking, because I'm just doing it this one time. but once you enter the right code every time, it will work. So I'm just going to look at it from my phone. Yep, and it's working perfectly fine from my phone now. So I've already did Chrissy Too Glamorous. So the next one after Chrissy Too Glamorous, you basically have to keep going back, boom, go to the next one, to the third page, and then you would work on, so this one's broken. Basically, you go to raw extensions. All right, so some of these, you know, like randomly we fix because customers have reached out and complained, but it's harder, you know, just go ahead and upload the new theme to each one. Now, here's the kicker. Now, we do have some really, really old themes that are not 10.0. So if you run into a theme that's not 10.0, it's a little bit different. If it says anything like 9.7 or lower, then it's different. So let's see, I'm going to try to go to an old one that I think that may be 9.7. So I'm just going to click into, all right, Cat's Glam Empire. I'm going to log into this. And click online store. All right, so this says 9.7. All right, so 9.7 is a little bit different. You don't do the whole upload a new theme to 10.0. So this is what you do on 9.7. So if it's 9.7 or anything under 9.7, like even if it goes down to, you know, 8.5 or something, this is what you do. You go into the code, edit code, and all right. All right, so we're going to drop the code. You're going to go into edit code, and you're going to go to the style.scs.liquid in the assets folder. So I'm going to go in here. Well, that's 10.0, so I don't need that one. Where's my 9.7? So, all right, so I'm going to go to the assets folder because it said go to the asset folder. Then I'm going to go to style s.css. I scroll all the way to the bottom. Let's pull this all the way down. Click a space, and I just hit enter to make another space down, right? And then I just grab here and I grab this code. So I grab that code here, copy it, and then paste the code and hit save. Now that's it. That's all you have to do if it shows anything other than 10.0. Like if it says 9.9, if it says 9.8, if it says 9.7 or anything else, then you want to do it that way. You just drop the little piece of code, then the website will work fine. All right, so that should be enough instructions. You can watch this video back. Remember, 10.0, you have to download the new theme. You copy the code, drop it into it, then you make sure you publish that new theme. If it's anything under 10.0, like 9.9 and lower, then you do this way. And I'm going to send you that code. All right, thank you.